built all these shelves in here on both sides. Put all them together. It's looking good in here. We painted all the walls, all the shelving. We're getting ready to put a flower shop in here. We got this shelf right here done, painted. Built this rack right here so she can hold her ribbon and stuff. We put that door in. We just got to finish it up. We put these tables together for them. We cut this doorway out. We built this ramp. We moved that ramp over there, put that handrailing up for them. We put these floor vents in. There was hose in the floor. Put all three of them floor vents in. Cover the hose up. We're back here in the back room now. I built that shelf there. Put the hanger up and under there for the ribbon for the flowers. I fixed the rod with pins on the end to where they can pull the pins out and slide it through to be able to change the ribbon and add ribbon to it. There's a pin on that end too, that way it don't fall out. The rod was a 2-piece. I drilled a hole through the center of it, put a Carter key in there, bend it over, that way it wouldn't come apart. Made the hole a little bit bigger, that way it would slide through. I put concrete bolts in there in the wall on all the brackets, new L brackets to hold the shelf up. I'm getting ready to paint it. I'm getting ready to put some shelving over here. Down this wall right there's one of them. I'm going to put them from here all the way down. I got to cut the corner of these shelves off right here. They're putting a helium tank in there in that corner and anchoring and putting a chain to hold it up right so they can fill the balloons up for the flower shop. We got to level this shelf out right here with a bracket. It's sagged in the center a little bit. There's that ramp that we built and covered with the carpet. They've already painted the floors while we was gone and done the walls. I got to paint a little bit over behind that wall over there where we took one shelf down, behind them 2 shelves. That's I'll do another little video here in a minute, just as soon as I get the other shelf done and get them some painted and show you what it looks like. If everyone likes what I'm doing here on this channel, please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell in the bottom corner so you can see more future content. Thank you.